Welcome to the new Reevio. In this short video, I'll show you how to use one of our complex templates, the new Universal Promo template. This template has many uses. From the main dashboard, choose Promo and click on New Universal Promo. Click on Use this video to select the template. Give your video a title. We'll call this Promo Demo and click Continue. This template gives you many scene choices. Click Add Scene to see what your options are. You can select text animations, mock-ups, add a video clip, and more. Click the plus sign for the scenes you want, and click the X when you're done to return to your timeline view. You can change the order of your scenes by clicking and dragging in the timeline. Depending on the scenes you choose, you'll have background choices of color, still image, or video, and foreground choices of text, still image, and video. You can select a video-only scene to add a video. In this view, you'll see the video timeline, the scene canvas, and a video preview. Along the left side of the screen, you'll see 4 icons: Preview, the Photo Video Library, the Music Library, and Watermark. Let's take a look at the Photo Video Library. To add a photo, make sure Photo is selected and click the plus sign. You'll see the Choose Files screen. You can import images from your computer by dragging and dropping or browsing, or provide a URL link. Click the audio icon to change your music. To select a different piece of music, click Change Audio. Here you can sample and select one of many choices available. To add a watermark, click the gear icon. Click the plus sign to upload your watermark graphic file. Please note this should be a PNG graphic file with transparency. To return to editing your canvas, click the top icon. The scenes you've selected may need text, still image, or video inputs. Select your scene and click the text bar to add your text, and then click the green checkbox. If your scene has 3 icons in the upper right corner of the canvas, you can add a still image, color background, or video as the background. We'll choose a video by clicking on the play icon. You'll have the ability to choose which part of the video clip to use by trimming the video with the trimmer tool. The video trimmer controls the length of the scene. You can shorten it or lengthen it. Click Continue when you've selected the portion of the video you want to use. Your image selections are complete when you see the check mark in the blue circle in the timeline. Click Submit Video in the top right corner, and you're done.